What is up, guys? Derek with Divine here. I am here today servicing some stuff on a few light switches in the house, but I figured I'd stop and show you our home theater we did a few months back. So here's our screen. Got a 120-inch custom curved acoustic transparent screen that just fills up this niche. The cool thing that we did behind this screen, so back behind here, we ported this sub towards the back of the room to get a bass gain in here. And we built a shelf and we put three 6000F Klipsch towers back behind here. We did this so we can get the ultimate usage out of having this niche in the wall and be able to put three towers behind the screen so we get that center channel to punch as hard as the left and right towers do. We did Epson 4050, a little upgrade up here. I did Pro-250Fs that I custom painted. So we got Pro-250s right here on the right and the left for the rears. It's 5.1.2, so I used existing speakers that were being used as rears for the overheads. Over to our rack, we did 5 zones of Sonos, utilized 3 existing Sonos Connects that she had, and then added 2 amps. Xbox One S, Yamaha 685. Here's her sweet little disco room right here. Disco's all done. We added in this light over here that shines up to the disco ball. Pretty sweet. Yeah, in the future we'll be adding some LED lights up there. And we did this really cool rope lighting. Put that on. So we did this rope lighting all around the room because we wanted to bring this room into the 21st century versus where it was at before. Yeah, there's another one on our awesome custom project. So check out our channel, check out the rest of our videos. Thanks for tuning into this one. We'll see you on the next one.